Welcome back to our channel, guys. Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you for sharing our channel link. Thank you for liking our videos and subscribing to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can hit the subscription button and turn on your post notification to be notified whenever we post video. Today we will be unboxing the 50-watt solar street light. This street light is a light that can be used around your premises. It is designed for residential use. So here we go. So we have a remote control along with the battery, so you can control the light from the remote. And we also have the 50-watt street light. So this is an all-in-one street light, meaning that the panel is attached to the back of the solar light. So you'd expose the panel to the sun for it to charge the battery, which is built in to the solar light. I'm not going to open it so that you can see, but the batteries in this section here, if you look closely, you will see a blue colored item. That's the battery basically. So we power on. So before you install the light, we recommend that you power on the light so that when you install it against the wall or the post, you don't have challenges to get back up there to power on the light. And also you can use the remote to power on this light. So this 50-watt solar street light will operate for 12 hours from dusk till dawn. It has two modes of brightness. So you have the dim mode where it comes on and remain dim. Once somebody come there, it will get super bright. And you have the stay on mode, which it stay on bright until the next morning. However, to set it in the stay on mode, you need to use the remote control to do just that. And you set it on, you press the button that says auto, as you can see right here, and it will automatically stay on until morning in the super bright mode. So take a look at this installation of the 50-watt solar street light.